Hello, hello, my sweethearts, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My loves, are you ready for this easy, simple, 1 hour braidless crochet hairstyle? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Let's just get right into it, my loves. My hair is washed and conditioned and twisted. It's easier to comb through my hair when I twist my hair up. I'm telling you, having thick hair like mine, twisting it up will work. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Adding a little bit more of the leave-in, it's just going to soften your hair up just a little bit. I don't want my hair to be so hard from putting this styling gel on it, because your hair can be really, it can damage it if it's just stuck and then you're trying to crochet it. So you just do want your hair to be nice and soft underneath the gel. I am putting some gel in this part, and I'm putting it in the front so it can lay better. My hair is really thick. I haven't had a perm in 5 years, so it's hard for my hair to lay. So using this method, it works perfect for my hair. I have 4C, and it just works perfect for it. Using this Got2b glue actually help lay my hair down. I've never used Got2b glue like this, and it actually works. Now I know I can be able to do a nice slick ponytail with this Got2b and this gel. Okay, sweethearts, when you're twisting your hair, make sure you're twisting a little hard just so the hair won't come apart. When you're putting him in the ponytail, please do not put it too tight. Just make it tight enough just to hold, because remember, this is underneath all the crochet. We have to crochet under this, so please not too tight. Adding this hair scarf is just going to mat it down a little bit more, and then blow drying it will help dry it a little bit more as well. Alright, loves, when choosing a hairnet for your hair, a wig, cap, or cap, netted, make sure it's not too tight. Again, that it's tension on your head. So make sure it's loose enough for you to breathe, so it won't cause tension on your hair. Oh my God, this hair, Fiji curl from Rast A Fri. I believe that's how you say it. Fiji, when I first seen this, I said, oh my God, that is the bomb. This hair is so light. It's so it feels like nothing's in my hair. It's not heavy at all, you guys. It's perfect for this hairstyle. When I say that crocheting it in was very easy, it was easy. It didn't tangle up. You know what I'm saying? So you guys, please try this hair out. I think you're going to love it. I love the curls on it. I love the bounce, the feel. I think it's perfect for this hairstyle. Okay, sweethearts, just to make sure this is nice and secure as well, we're just going to grab the edges of the of the cap, sorry. And then we're going to put the needle underneath the cap and your hair. Put the needle through the hair, through the needle, pull it through, and then you can just tie it one time. You don't have to tie it as many times. Why? Because this hair is long, so you don't have to worry about the hair slipping out. But there are other methods. When crocheting these, make sure you're leaving some space. If you want your hair full and thick, then you can crochet them as close together as possible. Make sure you're splitting your hair in half. You can split them into threes if you like. If the hair is too thick, it won't hold. You know, the knot will not hold. So make sure the hair is split it into a certain amount that it will hold underneath the scalp. Again, as you can see, I'm going around the edges of the cap and I'm tying the crochet hair underneath it that way. This is the other method that for sure will secure the hair to the cap as well. You guys, this is only 1 pack of hair. Oh my goodness, that's enough. That's bomb. So I would say probably get 3 packs. If you want it a little fuller, get 4 packs. Now here, if you look closely, if you want to just use only the hairnet, this is how you can do it. Just use the hairnet. You do not have to put your natural hair in it. And you tie the knot just like that to secure the hair. And I only used 2 packs of hair. That is enough for me. Okay, when cutting the hairnet to get to your part, please be extremely careful. You do not want to cut your real hair. Make sure you're cutting in each piece. Make sure you're looking at it very, very carefully. After you're finished cutting off the hairnet, go ahead and add some pieces around your hair, around that perimeter, just to cover it up. Remember, when you're cutting off excess hair, cut downward. Do not cut from side to side. You really don't even need to cut a lot. Just cut a little bit because this hair has this natural curls in it. It's so pretty. It's so light. You guys, I love this hair. I definitely want to use this again. And these are the finished results, my love. This only took under an hour. Don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.